Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to uh, to explain a deform mesh deform. Okay, so what is the mesh deform? You can see that you saw this guy here, which was Jerry, that this female cat that played with his face. So he made him in the end like a donkey. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how we can play with this. Yeah, it's right. We tried lattice modifier, but we are right now we are going to do another thing. Like right now I'm going to put a monkey, and I'm putting it in the up, and I'm going to bring a cylinder, so I'm putting it inside of it. Why I'm putting inside of it? Because I want to deform it. See, I have something like this, and what I'm doing is that I'm going to edit mode and control R and left click and right click again, and I'm done with this. Let me show you. Oh my gosh, I forgot to disable this, enable this. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the Suzanne monkey, and I'm going to the modifiers, and in the modifiers what I'm going to do is that I am going to mesh deform. I'm going to add it, and I'm telling which object can control me. I'll tell it that this cylinder should control me. So right now I'm clicking on the bend, or clicking or on the bend, and don't forget to pull this button and wait a little bit for it till it will be done. So right now it's done, and what I can do is that I'm going to, in the tab, what I'm going to is that I am playing with this. Okay, you see, I'm changing the shape of the Suzanne. Okay, like this, like this. If I'm done, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select this, and I am going to apply it, or Control A, and it will be applied. What I'm going to do is going to Z, pressing Z, and going to solid mode, and delete this one, and you can see something like a Tom. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.